Hey traders, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Thought I'd throw a quick video here on one ticker symbol, SNAP, S-N-A-P. Now, Friday, everybody and their brother knows that SNAP gapped up here, had a big move. We did end up closing above the 50-period moving average, but we are closing above the Trendicator. So that's what I'm really looking at right there. The fact that our red dots have turned green. And what I'm looking for is a slight pullback with an entry and that dot, the following dots remaining green. So the only way I'm going to buy this is if it stays green on the daily chart. But what I am going to do is I am going to start the trade from the 3-bar chart. The 3-bar chart right here, up here on the top left, you can see it's just a 130-minute chart. But what it does is it breaks the chart, the daily chart down, the daily candle down to 3 candles. So this is the first third of the day, second third of the day, the third third or last third of the day. So this is the chart I'm going to use to possibly start the trade. On the last bar of Friday, we went up here and put in a high wick up here, creating a shooting star type chart pattern. So with a shooting star, 99% of the time, I'm looking for a little bit of a rest or pullback. It doesn't mean it's going to close down, but I would bet most of the time on a little bit of weakness anyway. So what I'm really kind of hoping on is that this thing pulls back into this area here. And this is where I'm going to look to buy it. And for those of you who know, I always wait for a bullish candle. So I'm going to need to see a bullish candle down here to get in it. Keep in mind, on the daily chart right here, it's going to have to stay above yesterday's low, Friday's low, to keep the second dot, the next dot, which will be Monday's dot over here, to keep that green. If we close below that and that dot's red, I'm going to have to close this out if I buy it. Now, no guarantee I'm going to buy it Friday or Monday. So notice how this shooting star came up to this dotted red line right here. This is the what we call the dotted deuce. It's in the 200 period moving average family, and that is a for me that's a point which we certainly could have a speed bump in price, and that price could start to rest. And with the shooting star, that's what I'm looking for, is a pullback, a little better price down here, closer to 33.90. Certainly doesn't have to be right here on the bottom. For targets, what I'm looking at is about 44.80, and that's the 200 period moving average. You can see the red line right there. And the reason I have that as a target is because this is a rounded bottom breakout from the 50 period moving average to the 200. After that, we're going to look at 47 and change, maybe 47.50, something like that. And then maybe we can get up here to 45.50. Here's what it looks like on the daily chart. So we're going to have to get through the 50 period moving average, test with success 44.80, then maybe 47.50-ish, and then we can go to the dotted deuce on the daily chart of about 54.50. Okay. Hey, thanks everybody. Remember, I'm going to put a stop in. My stop is going to be as long as the dots remain green, I'm going to keep it. It would be similar to this right here. See how the dots here are green? We pop up, pull back up. It did turn red once and then immediately repaired itself. But that's what I'm looking for right here. So we'll follow this, start out the trade on a 3-bar chart. That's 130 minutes. I want to thank you all for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you Monday.